Perfect.
Run.
Skip it up and down up. Surprise, motherfucker.
Whop.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Why are you running? Why are you running? Yeah? You owe me money.
Peter, why you... What he's doing? Why you bully me? You fucking bitch, why you bully me? Everyone asking. Liquid one...
What the fuck?
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Yeah, nope.
Hello? Hi.
Watch it 6 actual. Target is in the main house. You have execute authority.
Bravo 6. Going dark. Come here, boy!
Hello, your computer has virus.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick-ass boy. Damn. These nuts. Got him. Got him.
Double kill. Enemy spotted.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Get fucked!
Oh my god, you're killing me! Get the fuck out of my room! I'm playing Minecraft!
Doing the people. Oh! Somebody, he needs some milk.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I said, hold up, wait a minute. Something ain't right.
I like it, cut G.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Your trash, kid.
No! God, please, no!
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Oh, hell no!
Oh, hello there!
Okay.
You serious?
Baba Bowie.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.